it's Alex. And today I'm in my spare bedroom, or my office as I call it, with my Nissan Micra rear seat. Now this seat is actually in very good condition, but I don't know if you've seen in any other videos I've done, at the top of the seat the stitching has come away from the material, the cloth and the vinyl, so they need to be stitched back together. So what I'm looking to do is try and get the cover off of the seat and take it to my upholstery lady to do a nice neat stitching, because my sewing is poor. So to be perfectly honest with you, I've not done anything like this before. Nothing. I just hope I can try and do this without damaging it. So I've noticed there's a row of screws along here. I'm going to undo these first. I'll get my snazzy screwdriver that I got for Christmas. Elementary, it says on it. There we are. Right, that's the last screw coming out. Oh, okay. Okay, yes, I see. So we've got this out the way. Hopefully you can see. I'll pull that back. And it looks like there's little, I don't know, hooks holding this vinyl in. So I think I'm going to have to bend these bits of metal. Yeah, I'm going to have to bend those. They look like a little bit like your keychain loop, but I don't think we'll be able to thread it through. So I'm going to have to get some pliers and bend them, I think. It's really awkward. I managed to do one, but yeah, it's awkward. See, I've done this one. Managed to sort of bend it out of shape a bit and then thread it through. But you've got to be careful not to damage the material, really. So what I had to do was sort of jam a screwdriver in there, really. Bring it round. So you've got the two bits of metal that are met together, like your key ring. And I just I stuck a screwdriver in there. A bit savage. I just sort of pulled them apart a bit. Like I say, you can see the material stretching, so be careful. Once they're sort of apart like that, I then managed to get the pliers in. Sort of bend it a bit more. So really, you need to get the one sharp piece to go underneath. Awkward as hell. Very awkward. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't a fun game, is it? Not at all. There must be an easier way. Oh, I got it off of the seat, but now I can't get it off the material. Interesting. Here it comes. There we go. Don't ask me how I did that. Shove that back on there. Be fun putting them back on, wouldn't it? Oh dear. Be tempted to use blooming cable ties or a bit of sine wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 of those to fight with, at least. Arlo, what are you doing here? Oh! Arlo. So, that's all those little ringlets off. And I could sit here and sew it all myself, but I just worry that it'll look pants. I wonder how easy it is to get the cover off. Looking at it, I've got this on both sides, more little rings, and this panel sort of unclips by the looks of it. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to get the whole thing off. It'd be better to take it to the seamstress to get a nice straight thing, and she can't do that with this in the way, so I shall continue my strip down. Let's see what happens when we undo these then. This car is so basic, isn't it? That was so easy to do. That is it. That's it. All I did. I don't know if it's the right thing to do. I mean, looking at it, it's designed so you... Arlo just meowed. That you pinch it and then it comes out. But you can't see what bit you're pinching in there. It's hard to get under there. So carefully get the pliers under there without ripping the vinyl. It's really hard because you end up damaging the vinyl. Look, I've done it already. Pinched it. But there's no sort of nice way of getting in there. Yeah, there you go. They're a pain. Horrible design. Definitely the best way is to go from above and just wiggle it out. Try not to get your fingers in the meanwhile. Put that somewhere safe out of the way. Now it looks like I've got all these poxy little rings to do. Oh, I was like a machine taking all those rings off. Loads of them, look, hang on. Pardon me. Loads of the bloody things. Right, yeah. So this should sort of come off of here now. Let's see what we can do. It's looking promising. Yes. Yeah, here we go. Nice. Now it is a bit stuck on this. foam. There we go. Brilliant. Blooming did it. Oh, the dust. So if you look under here, you can see the base of the seat. Big, strong, welded bars in there. And the mechanisms are on each corner. But I don't have to touch any of that. Put the foam back over there. Brilliant. Oh, that can go back in the garage for now then. Thanks for watching. Bye.